Alright guys, we're out here with the Jetson Bolt. We're going to do the first test ride. I'm out here at the loading dock, and there it is. And what I did was I rigged up a little GoPro back there. Now I have no idea what that view is going to wind up looking like. And then I got the Insta361R or X up here. I'm going to have to tighten that up a little bit. And then we're going to ride it around. It's 30 degrees, by the way, so I won't be long ride, but I do want to tackle that little hill that goes up there to Penn Center, see how it does on that little hill. Not a little hill, it's a nice long hill. Let me turn the headlight on. Verify that that's on, and it is. And the tail light. Turn that on too. Okay. I'm going to put some gloves on this time because the last time I did this with the Rad Runner, my hands froze. So these are some light gloves, nothing too serious. Okay. So I'm just pedaling right now with the pedal assist. I'm not giving it any throttle. You know, it's got the automatic on the pedal assist, so you actually don't have to give it any throttle if you don't want. It just starts going, you know. Well, there's a little bit of ice out here on this road, so I don't want to get all jacked up or anything. Be pull over for the cars. So here comes a hill, and it's wet and it's slippery, so I'm gonna have to get up this hump right here. Yeah, it's a pretty good chug to get up this hill, because I'm really pedaling pretty damn hard. Yeah, so it's not that great on the hills. I mean, it made it, but you're pedaling. Okay, you're working. This ain't that easy. Yeah, these roads are a little slippery right now. So, oh, it rides great, man. Rides great. Just hope I don't spin out, because the road, they're icy. So I'm taking these big wide turns here. Oh yeah, this thing's great, man. On flat, this is fantastic. Which would it be when I'm out on the trails. The trails are all flat. Oh, I just slipped a little right there. Let me go up here through Penn Center a little bit. I'm already getting real cold. Well, looks like somebody hit the stop sign there. Must have been coming home from the bar, and took a little sharp turn. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is great, man. Okay, so I'm at top speed right here. I didn't bring the little speedometer thing, but I can tell I'm doing like 13, 15, something like that. Yeah, this seat on here is way more comfortable than the Rad Runner seat. Okay, so there goes that. And here's the line at Starbucks to go get a overpriced coffee. But hey, to each his own. I buy them too, so. But they're still overpriced. Okay, the pedal assist on this thing is really great. Okay, so it doesn't have a degree of pedal assist. You just start pedaling and then it kicks in. So it just makes the pedaling easy. You know what I mean? So yeah, the pedal assist on this thing is pretty nice. I'll give it that. Here's Applebee's. They're closed because I think it's only like 8:30 in the morning right now. It's kind of early. Like I said, I'm taking these wide turns because this street's pretty slippery. I don't want to fishtail and take a dump. I mean, you can just pedal easy, you know, with this thing, and you know, there's nothing to it. Nothing to it. Now, just like the other day with the Rad Runner, I'm going to go the same route. There's the car wash. Hill coming here, so I'm going to have to get on it. Alright, so there we go, we made it. Let's check that. There's like a little rub in there on the brake pad, so I'll have to check that. Yeah, I'm being tortured right now with this wind coming down this hill. I'll be honest with you, it's pretty cold. Okay, ride's over. Woo! Yeah, ran great, man. I'm happy with it. I think this will be real easy for Kim to ride. Alright guys, there you go. Yay! Rad Runner. Perfecto. Alright guys, have a nice day.